When we encounter no sound on the screen, we can deal with it as follows. We choose the OEM systems. If it does not display properly, please contact customer service. After entering the OEM system, click on Multimedia, External Devices in order to see if we have selected OEM Bluetooth. If so, we go to Settings System to turn the Used Cars BT channel feature off, and then we use our phone to disconnect the original Bluetooth from the car. And after disconnecting it, we go to the car settings and select the Auto Switch to AUX feature off. We go back to the original car interface again. Select the setting as your front. After selecting it, we click on Music Playback. If there is still no sound, we first adjust the volume knob. If there is still no sound, we need to connect the AUX harness. Check the ground plugs and disconnect them if they are connected. If they are disconnected, connect them. Next, we need to check if there is a fiber optic cable in the Ether harness. If there is a fiber optic cable, we need to adapt it to the PEMP Ether harness. We also need to check that the Ether harness is plugged in and not loose. If it is, it needs to be plugged and unplugged again to make sure it's plugged in. Finally, we need to check that the power cable and LVDS on the back of the machine are not loose. If they are, we plug them once.